Good morning, all of you. My name is Patel Surya Ismail. My roll number is 206. Today, I am going to tell about the topic of Marxist criticism. Marxist literary criticism. Karl Marx, a German philosopher, and Friedrich Engels, a German sociologist, were the joint founder of the school of thought. They themselves called their economic theories communism. Marx and Engels announced the advent of communism in their jointly written Communist Manifesto of 1848. The aim of Marxism is to bring about a classes society based on the common ownership of the means of production, distribution and exchange. Marxism is a materialist philosophy. It looks for concert significance, logical explanation of the world of observable fact. Marxism sees the progress as coming about through the struggle for power between different social classes. This view of history as a class struggle regards is a matured by the competition for economic, social and political advantage. The explanation of the social classes by another is seen especially in modern industrial capitalism, particularly in its underestimated 19th century. From the result of this explanation is alienation. It is the state which comes about when its work is distilled. These alienated workers have undergone the progress of refection, which is a term used in Marx's major work, Das Kapital. Leninist Marxist criticism. Lenin had argued in 1905 the literature must become an instrument of the party. Literature, he said, must become party literature. Literature must become part of organized, methodical and unified labor of the Social Democratic Party. Experiment of effectively banner writer like Proudhon and Joyce were satimized and satiricism was imposed. George calls the two main streams of Marxist criticism. First, Leninist kind, and second is the Leninist. The present, the influence of authors. Much recent Marxist thinking on literature has been influenced by the work of French Marxist theoretician Louis Althusser. For Althusser, like all Marxist ideology is a key term. Althusser's definition is ideology is a system of repetitions endowed with existence and historical role at the heart of given society. According to Althusser is a key term. It indicates structure which have to no essence or focus or center. It avoids the view that the economic basis is the essence of society and the superstructure mainly a secondary reflection. Authors makes a distinctions between state power and state control. Next point. What Marxist critics do. First, they make a division between the overt and the covert content of a literary work and then relate the covert subject matter of the literary work to basic Marxist themes such as a class struggle or the progression of society through various historical stages such as the transition of feudalism to industrial capitalism. Second point, Marxist criticism relate to content of the work, the social class status of the author. In such class, an assumption is made that the author is unaware of precisely what he or she saying or reliving in the text. Third point, the third Marxist method is to explain the nature of a whole literary genre in terms of social period which produced it. Fourth point, a fourth Marxist practice is to relate the literary work to the social assumption of the time in which it is consumed. It is a strategy which is used particularly in a later variant of Marxist criticism known as a cultural materialism. Fifth point, a fifth Marxist practice is a politician of a literary form. It claims the literary forms are themselves determined by political circumstances. Here my point come to end. Thank you for listening.